All right. So today we're going to be covering some SQL concepts. We will start with a SQL Inner Join. So let's imagine we have three tables. We have teacher, we have student, and so teacher is going to have two columns. Oops. One called ID and one called name. So we can make that smaller. Oh, right there. Say ID of 1, we have teacher with name Riz. ID of 2, we have teacher with name Ashley. We'll just call her Ash for now. Make it easy. So, and then the student table has an ID column and a name column. So ID of 1 we'll say Connor. Well, let's call him CJ. And ID of 2 we'll say Ari. It's an easy name. And then we'll also have a join table called teacher student. So teacher student is going to have three columns: ID, teacher ID, we'll abbreviate it to be t.id, and student ID, we'll abbreviate it to be SID. So let us imagine that Riz has Connor as a student. He has Ari as a student. And let's say that Ash has both of them as students as well. We can draw lines here to make this nice. Yep, so that looks good. And so let's run a query that will require an inner join. So the query is going to be what are the names of all of Riz's students? So what information do we need to answer this question? So one way to do it is basically to say select name. We want to select the name from student where, and then we want to inner join on teacher student, and we'll inner join teacher ID equals 1, and we'll inner join on student ID being equal to the ID column here. So that query is going to look something like this. Select name from student inner join teacher student on, and then this is where we specify the criteria to join on. So we're going to say inner join teacher student on teacher student, I'm going to abbreviate a TS here, SID equals student.id, and I'm abbreviating student as S here. And so this is going to basically join where SID, student ID here equals the ID here, but we also need the criteria to specify RIS's ID, which is going, so the criteria there we'll specify by doing and TS dot TID gets equals 1. And the result set here that's going to be returned is going to be name CJ Party. So that is an example of an inner join. I hope that was helpful.